Hi everyone, meet my friend Joe. Joe's decided it's time to look for another job. So Joe, like 90% of other job seekers these days, picks up his smartphone, his tablet, or his laptop and goes to one of two sites. The first is Indeed, and the second is Google. Joe begins his search by typing in jobs near me. Now he might be more specific than that and type in retail sales associate or manager trainee or certified nurse assistant, whatever the job title might be, but he'll type in the job title near me or just jobs near me. What happens next could be the difference between Joe seeing your ad, clicking on it, and applying, or not. Joe's experience matters, and it may be exactly what you need to differentiate yourself from your competition and ensure that candidates like Joe see your ad, click on it, and apply. If you'd like to learn more about Joe's experience, please click on the link below to receive alerts about the new video tutorial I'm about to release on how to use Google for Jobs.